Behave! Silly little thing. Gusto niya yung pinapagalitan siya. Baliktad na po ang aming role. I'm now the mom and she's the daughter.
Of course. Because I'm tired of being a mom. My God, for how many years I worked, I hired. Now I am a baby. Scold me, please.
Behave, honey. Close your legs. Now open your legs. Halika, nakanta na tayo. Maraming salamat po ulit. Naku, si mama talaga. Oo, pumuputi ang buhok ko. Halika na, play mo na yung tugtog. Dali, go!
Go!
Kantik. Huh?
Kantik.
Let's call the entertainers that sang earlier. Come on, you guys. Let the mga performers join us here. Come on.